Hello, everybody. It's your girl, the Goddess Queen. Here are 5 essential oils for beginners. Your beginner kit should include lavender oil, chamomile, sage oil, lemongrass, and a little peppermint oil. Lavender is among one of the safest and most widely used aromatherapy oils. It relieves pain, helps with migraines, headaches, and inflammation. Chamomile helps relax both the mind, body, and the soul. It's also anti-inflammatory and promotes good digestion. Sage is known as not only a cleanser, but also as an antidepressant and an inflammatory. Lemongrass is an antiseptic. It is used to help reduce headaches and irritability, also to prevent drowsiness. Last, we have the most widely used of all aromatic oils, peppermint. It's an anti-inflammatory and relieves pain while helping clear the lungs of congestion. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot. Please like and subscribe to Goddess Glow Industries.